Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram notification sound on iOS. So first we need to open your Instagram application, then click on the three lines top right corner and go down until you see messages and messages control. No. So I did not find it, just search messages. This is the only one. So make sure you all enable it everyone on. After that you have to go to the settings and go to the sounds and aptics. So in iOS you have no particular option to change the Instagram notification sound. It's all same, so that's it. So in the end it's impossible to change the Instagram notification sound. So thanks, that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya. Don't forget to like or subscribe.